If you are new to the channel, then subscribe the channel and press the bell icon for further notification. Okay student, welcome you all to this new lecture in basic level where you are solving previous year Tripura University questions on definite integral. So in this lecture we will be solving question number 9, 10, 11. Okay, then let's try to solve these questions. Now in question number 9, it is asked to find this one. I think there is some mistake. Exactly this proof is not coming. Let us solve this integration for now. So it is 0 to 3, that is dx divided by x plus 3 root x plus 1. Let me think it whether it can be done in another way so that this proof comes. So for now let us just solve this integration. So let x plus 1 is equal to 1 by z square. It is linear root linear. You can take this one also, you can take this one. Why I am taking this one? I want to eliminate this root. If I take and eliminate this root, then some sort of tan it will come. If you keep this one 1 by z, then some sort of sign will come because under root something will form. So your dx will be equal to minus 2 by z cube dz. So if you change your limit also, if x tends to 0, then z will tends to 1. If x is tends to 3, then 3 plus 1 4, 1 by root is 2. So z will move to half, 1 by 2. So your limit is from 1 to half, minus 2 by z cube dz instead of dx, and it is root is root 1 by z square. So root 1 by z square, and this is 1 by z square minus 1 plus 3. If you include that minus inside, so it will be half to 1. You can change this limit, and this z square, if you take LCM, then z square into this z, and it will be 1 minus, it is minus 1 plus 3, it is plus 2z square, and it is 1 by z cube dz. So you can see this z cube get cancelled. So you are left with half 1, then 2z square. You can take 2 common also this side, so it will be z dz. So it will be half to 1 by z square plus 1 by root 2 whole square dz. So x square plus a square, that is tan inverse 1 by a, tan inverse x by a. So 1 by a is root 2, then tan inverse x is here z, by a means 1 by root 2. So it will come up there, so root 2, and limit is from 1 half to 1. So it will be root 2. If you put half 1, then it is tan inverse root 2 minus, if you put it is half, then tan inverse 1 by root 2. You can apply tan a minus tan b here. So it will be tan inverse a minus b divided by 1 plus ab. So this will be 1 and 1 2, 2 minus 1 root 2, and there will be root 2 tan inverse. So that is your answer. Next, question number 10. So question number 10 is exactly like your question number 5. Here only cos, here only sine. So you can do it in same way. I will start it 0 to pi by 2 sine x by, let me like sine by s cos by c dx. So applying that property, what applying 0 to a fx dx, you write this property in the exam, 0 to a f a minus x dx. So your I will be equal to 0 to pi by 2 sine pi by 2 minus x is cos sine pi by 2 minus cos will be sine, sine will be cos. If you add these two, king rule लगा के add कर दिया, these two are king rule. So 2i will be equal to 0 to pi by 2 sine plus cos by sine plus, this sine will become cos, this cos will become sine dx. So it will be pi by 2 only, like this way. Check the question number 5, it is same as 5, so that's why I am oversimplifying it. So it is pi by 4 is the answer. That is next. If you come to question number 11, then it is 0 to pi by 2 1 dx by 4 plus 5 sin x. So for this type of questions where only denominator there is sin x and cos x, then generally we take tan x by 2 equal to 2. Tan x by 2 equal to 2. So what is your differentiation? It becomes x square x by 2 half dx equal to dt. According to change the limit also, if x tends to 0, then t tends to 0. If x tends to pi by 2, then it will be pi by 4. Tan pi by 4 is 1. Let me bring this here first. 4 plus 5. What is sine in terms of tan to theta? It is 2 tan x by 2 by 1 plus tan square x by 2. So actually from there this x square will come. So it will, if you take it to upside, it will be, till now it is 0 to pi by 2 only because I have not changed it. I have applied the formula only. It will be x square x by 2. Then it is 4 tan square x by 2 plus 4 this into this plus 10 tan x by 2 dx. Now if we apply this substitution here, it will be 0 to 1. This x square x into dx will be equal to 2 dt divided by, in the denominator it will be 4t square plus 10t plus 4. If you divide by 2, it will be 0 to 1 dt by 2t square plus 5t plus 2. You can make it factorize it, because factorization is possible here, or you can apply that quadratic formula also, make it perfect square. That formula you can do t plus 2. And this one, if you can factorize it, you can easily partial fraction, going for partial fraction. So how you can do it, you can write it 2t plus 1, I told you, minus you write always t plus 2. Now you check what should you give. If you give only t plus 2 minus this, then t will be there, so you put a t2. So 2t plus 4, 2t, 2t will get cancelled, minus 1, 4 minus 1, 3. So 3 is there in the upside, so you put 1 by 3 in front. So that partial fraction is already done. So if you now do it, it will be 1 by 3. These 2 and these 2 will come, it will be t plus half. So it will be log t plus half minus it will be log t plus 2. So limit is from 0 to 1. So in log, you can log a minus b is log a by b. If you do this one, it will be log 2t plus 1 divided by 2 into t plus 2. Again from 0 to 1 is your limit. So if you put 0 to 1, if you put 1, then it will be 3 by 3 will get cancelled, that is half. And if you put 0, it will be 0, 2 2s are 4, log 1 by 4. So it will be 1 by 3 log half divided by 4. So it will be 1 by 3 log 2. That is your answer. If you like the video, then press the like button and please give your valuable comments in the comment section.